What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. I know that it's been a few days and I apologize for that, but things are going to be changing with the channel here, and we'll have a video soon where we get into a little bit of a serious talk about my thoughts, where I'm at, the future for the channel, things of that nature, and just what's going on in general. As you can see from the opening clip, we had a couple injectors sitting in a dish. I have plans to come out here tomorrow in the garage and film a video for you guys that has to do with injectors, so I hope you guys can look forward to that. If you aren't subscribed yet and you're stopping in for the first time, now would be a good time to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Also hit that post notification button and turn on the bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video and you don't miss out. If you are pumped to see what we're gonna do with injectors tomorrow, then go ahead and drop a like on this video right now. I would greatly appreciate that. The likes really help the videos get recommended to new people, hopefully to bring in new family members. There hasn't really been a whole lot going on for the rest of this week, so I just kind of took some time. I needed to do some thinking. I needed a mental break, mental vacation from filming. This filming on top of my full-time job is crazy time, crazy hours that go into it. I hope you guys can understand if I need to take a little break and cash out for a few, because I almost put in more time doing the YouTube and fixing stuff on the truck or doing things with the truck and filming that and editing the videos than I do at a regular 40-hour-a-week job. It is a very time-consuming process. A lot of time goes into it that takes me away from my kids, my family, all that good stuff. But I wouldn't change a thing because it's something that I have a passion for. Cameras and editing and trucks, automobiles, two things that I love the most and that I get to play around with by doing this stuff. We also got a package in the mail at the end of the week, a package I've been waiting for a month, so there will be a video coming on what that package is, but I'm gonna wait until I have time to do something with the package. I don't want to just show you what it is and then have it sit for a little bit. So that video will come out when I find time to do something with it, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But other than that, I've just kind of been out here trying to figure out what I want to do with the garage for the remainder of the week. There's still some things left that I want to get done to it and just straighten around. I still want to move a few things around up in the front of the garage so that I can open up a little bit more room when I pull the truck in here. When I'm up there working underneath the hood, I just like to have a little bit more clearance, a little more space to maneuver around the front end of the truck. So I think we're gonna do a couple of different things with the stuff that we have up against that front wall, and I possibly might add on to this overhead storage right here and extend it down the front wall a little bit so that I can throw a few more things up off the ground and help me to clear that area out to make more space. But I plan to go over the garage stuff and do kind of like a garage tour since we got it all cleaned up and organized so that we could get the truck in here this winter and do work and keep pumping out content for you guys. So that video will be coming probably this week. We'll go over the garage, we'll go over what my plans are to kind of continue it and finish it off as far as turning it into a film studio basically. So it's not just going to be a shop to get the truck in here or work on things pertaining to the truck. It's also going to be a little filming studio because, well, I need that, and I need to be able to get you guys good camera angles so that you can see what is going on when I'm filming this stuff. But I've been doing a lot of thinking, not just about the garage and what I want to do to kind of finalize this and get it set up for filming and projects this winter. I've also been thinking about the type of content that is here on the channel and incorporating some new types of content like just a day in the life of Josh, so you guys can get to know me a little bit better outside of the truck stuff. I know some of you guys aren't gonna like that because you're here for truck content, but it can't always be truck content all the time, as funds don't always allow me to just continuously do things to a truck, and there's only so much that I can do to a truck until I feel like I want to do something else to it. So it can't always be truck stuff and big projects with the truck, so therefore we have to come up with some content in between between when times are slow and we're not doing much with the truck to kind of fill the void and keep a consistent upload schedule. Unfortunately, with YouTube, the way that it works is you have to stay steady and consistent with uploading, otherwise you aren't really staying relevant with their algorithm system. So I don't ever mean to just try and upload videos just to upload them. And if I do talking style videos, I always try to include something that's informative or that can help somebody, that somebody can take away from the video that will benefit them or help them with their truck or something. I never just try to upload a video where I just talk and talk and talk and waste your guys' time. I know some of you guys think that that's the case, but that is not it. I am doing that and just doing some talking videos when things are slow, trying to put out some type of information in those videos just to keep the consistent schedule with uploads. I don't want to put in the hard work and start to build up this family base here and get all you guys on board and watching the videos and looking for content, and then just not upload when things are slow and have the channel go stale or stagnant. It's too much work, too much time invested into it to allow that to happen. So we have to have some off days where we have different style content, and I'm thinking days in the life, maybe some stuff at work. I know I said that in the past. Other hobbies of mine, I'm into other things than just the truck, like scrap metal and preparing scrap to take back to the scrap yard. There's plenty of other things that I am into outside of the truck world that I think would be fun to film and share with you guys so you can get to know me a little better. And also, I'd like to get into doing things like tool reviews, because without the tools here in the shop, I'm not able to do any of the stuff that I do on the truck. The tools make the world go round when it comes to making the truck videos. So I'm gonna start trying to get some different tools, some new stuff here in the shop, and start to really do some good tool reviews on things that I feel are good. And then the things that I think are bad, I want you guys to know what I feel about that stuff, so that if you are looking for something similar to that, you can kind of take my word for it or what you see in my videos and run with it to make your decision on what tool to buy for yourself. So that's just some stuff that I've been thinking about, but we'll go further into that at a later point in time, sometime this week probably, because there are some other things on my mind that I want to put out there to you guys. We'll touch base on that soon. For now though, I put together a little video of the truck off-road, so I hope you enjoy this short little clip of the truck, and I will see you soon with another video with injectors, and we got to get into this HY35 turbo. Stop talking about it and get into it. Hit that like button on your way out, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you soon. Peace. And also quick, let me know what you guys think about the reverse lights that we installed on the truck, the 7-inch flush mount LED lights in the rear bumper. I think that they help out tremendously. They do light up pretty decently. We'll go over those some more in another video as well, and probably gonna go ahead and grab another set of flush mount lights and mount those in the rear bumper also, just to really light it up even more. And I think I've said that prior. I don't know, I forget sometimes what I've already mentioned and said in previous videos. And we also have a fuel leak to attend to still, and I see that there is moisture, which is fuel. It smells like diesel. When I rub my finger on it and smell my finger, that sounded, well, insert meme here. But anyways, it is definitely diesel fuel. It's not like puddles of it, but there's definitely moisture near the back of the valve cover around injector line 5, 6 in that area. So I'm not sure if we've got a connector tube O-ring that's shot or something wrong with an injector, but I think that we're gonna have to get some new O-rings and things of that nature, and we're probably gonna be pulling off the valve cover, the fuel lines, all that fun stuff sometime here in the near future to see if we can't clear up this little hard start issue. If that doesn't do it, well, I guess we're probably gonna be looking at doing a VP44 after all, boys.